Ever wondered why game development is often described as an uphill battle? Well, it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and a systematic approach, anyone can transition from idea to execution to a finished product. One of these tools is a game engine. Think of a game engine as a one-stop shop for game development. It provides the essential services and tools necessary to create games. From rendering graphics and simulating physics to providing artificial intelligence and sound systems, game engines have got you covered. Now, on to the big question. How do you actually use a game engine? Step 1. Choose your game engine. There are many options available, but some of the most popular ones are Unity, Unreal Engine, and Godot. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and your choice will depend on your needs and your level of expertise. Step 2. Get familiar with the interface. Whichever engine you choose, it will come with its own unique interface. Spend some time exploring it, learning where everything is, and getting comfortable with the layout. Step 3. Import your assets. These are the building blocks of your game, from characters and environments to sounds and music. Most game engines have a straightforward process for importing assets. Step 4. Start creating scenes. A scene is like a stage where the action happens. You can place your assets in the scene, move them around, and animate them. Step 5. Add scripts. Scripts are what make your game interactive. They control how your characters move, how they interact with their environment, and how the game responds to player input. Step 6. Test your game. Most game engines have a built-in testing mode. Use it to catch bugs, tweak gameplay, and ensure everything is working smoothly. Step 7. Publish your game. Once you're happy with your game, it's time to share it with the world. Your game engine will have tools to help you package your game for different platforms. In summary, game engines are powerful tools that can significantly streamline the game development process. They handle the heavy lifting, leaving you free to focus on what really matters: crafting an engaging, enjoyable gaming experience. Remember, the key steps to using a game engine are choosing your engine, familiarizing yourself with the interface, importing assets, creating scenes, adding scripts, testing your game, and finally, publishing it. Game development is a journey, and like any journey, it's easier when you have the right tools. So go ahead, choose your game engine and start creating. The world is waiting to play your game.